All right, so part 2 of Cambodian art, week 3. So I mentioned that we get the red dye color from the lac insect nest. Blue dye was from indigo. Indigo is another powder that they get to make the colors. So if you actually go to my slideshow presentation, you can click on these blue words and it will show you pictures and bring up more pages so you guys can learn about it. So the blue dye was made from this indigo. Yellow and green dye was made from prohut bark. So again, if you click on this, you can take it to another page. It's going to pull up the Wikipedia page and we'll give you more of a description here. This actually doesn't have an article, so you're going to have to look it up if you know that word or not. I'm not going to do that right now because it's just talking about color. And then black dye comes from ebony bark. So bark is from a tree. And so you can see it right here. It's got inside of this is really black. So we can grind it up and put some water in it and put the fabric inside and it soaks up the color and makes the color. So Cambodians' modern silk weaving centers are in Takao, Battambang, and then Siem Reap, Kampot. So we have things like this here where we see a lot of silk weaving today. Right here, I have a picture of a woman who is using the loom to do some weaving. I was hoping that we would be able to go to the Royal Palace because they have watched them do this here before so we can see it being done. But in the new school year, we'll make sure that we take a field trip there as well. So we've seen another revival recently with the production doubling. So it means there was a small number of people who were doing silk weaving, but in the last 10 years, it's doubled. So 2 times what we've done before. Cotton textiles also played a significant role in Cambodian culture. Today, we usually use cotton. Cotton is cheaper than silk, and so we see it a lot more. It's easier to wash. But all of us, we have our cotton chromas that we wear regularly. So if there's like a special occasion, I know you all own one at home. So for your homework, I want you guys to take a photo with you with your chroma on. Okay, that's easy. Just take a photo with your chroma on. All right, the next page here, we're talking about weaving. So many Cambodian farmers, they weave baskets. So this is for household use or for extra income. So baskets are made with thinly cut bamboo. And Siem Reap and Kampong Cham are most popularly known for making mats. And it's a seasonal occupation. So that means they don't do it all year. They do it during certain parts of the year. And they can dye it with different colors and make furniture and other things. And here's some pictures of basket weaving. Have any of you guys done baskets before? So let me know. So I'm only going to have you guys watch these 2 videos today. I'm going to see if I can find any more interesting YouTube videos to show you. So make sure you guys check the homework. I'm going to put a few things, ask a few questions, take your photo with you and your chroma on. And this week's an easy week of homework for you guys. So next week, there's possibly an exam. I'm not sure if I'm going to have time to do it. So I will let you guys know. But make sure you guys turn all of your homework in and come to your Zoom meeting on Friday and we'll talk more. Bye, guys.